Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a very easy beginner makeup. So let's get started. First we'll apply moisturizer. The next step is to apply foundation. Next, we'll apply some blush. So you can see the three colors. So I'll be taking the center color, not too light or not too dark. Make your mouth like this. Then do this. So we're done with this. Next I'll be putting eyeshadow. So I'll be using the same color. Not exactly the same, it's a little bit of orange mixed with pink, so it kind of matches my outfit. So for the eyeshadow, I'll be closing my eye. I'll be applying highlighter over here on both sides and on my nose. So this is a very light makeup, but it looks really good. It's a very easy beginner makeup. Lipstick. So let's see the final look.